Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Edmund. I appreciate you guys for tuning in to another video. Today is another upcoming sneaker releases, a series where we go through some of the upcoming sneaker releases for this month. So let's just get straight into it. Kicking things off, May the 8th, we'll be seeing Stingwater x Nike SB Dunk Low in this bright red colorway, retailing for £94.95. If you don't know, Stingwater is a New York based skate brand led by Daniel Kim. The shoe contains dominant red leather upper with a number of white spots giving off that strong mushroom vibes. On the lateral side of the shoe includes a mini jewel swoosh with the Stingwater branding falling off on the side, which is a nice touch. And then the medial side includes just the mini swoosh. The tongue comes with its glossy plastic vibe, which features a hidden stash pocket labelled off by a square gold badge which reads Stingwater, shoe very special. May the 13th, we'll be seeing another Nike Dunk Low Michigan, retailing for £90. This is one of several classic colorways with the Dunk catalogue. This Dunk sees the upper built from premium leather, showing the iconic combination of the yellow and navy colour, blocking with a yellow underlay, topped off nicely by a navy overlay, and the navy Nike swoosh on both the lateral and medial side of the shoe. This is the low version, which comes 9 months after we saw the high version, which was released back in September 2020. The shoe also comes with a yellow tongue partnered well with yellow Nike text on the heel tab, and then the upper sits on a nice white midsole finished off with a navy outsole. On the same day, we'll be seeing the release of the Nike Waffle One, released on the 13th of May, retail for £89.95. This is a new look to the iconic waffle franchise at Nike right now. It comes with a new durable plastic heel and features a mix of transparent mesh and suede. This is very similar to the Nike Sakai waffles, so this could actually be seen as a cheap alternative for those of you who are looking for that style. I happen to do a video on some cheap alternatives which I found for some of the more hyped sneaker releases which we've seen in the past year, so be sure to check that one out after this video if you have not already. Moving on 2 days later, the 15th of May, we'll be seeing Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0 retailing for £145. This pair holds the same colours as we've seen in the OG Shadow colorway, which was released back in 2018. This time around we have a different colour blocking pattern with a black base seen on the lateral and medial side of the shoe, as well as the toe box, tongue and ankle colour area. The rest of the shoe is covered in a lighter shade of grey compared to the 2018 pair, running from the toe cap to the eye stays, the heel and also the wing area. This pair, like the 2018 pair, also sits on a white midsole finished off with that traditional black midsole. On the 29th of May, we'll be seeing Nike Dunk Low Animal Pack in this beach Baroque brown colorway, retailing for £110. This upper consists of a mix between hairy suede, leather and synthetics, bringing together a light brown and beige colour blocking. The pattern on the overlay of the shoe gives off a nice giraffe vibe, which ties in nicely with the whole animal pack theme. Underneath this upper is your white midsole, and the whole sneaker is finished off nicely by a brown outer sole. So those are 5 sneakers releasing this month. Be sure to check them out, but if you want to comment down below which out of the 5 are you looking forward to the most, and between the 2 Shadow colorways for the Jordan 1, which one do you prefer, the 2018 pair or the 2021 pair? Me personally, I think I messed a bit more of the 2018 pair because of the darker uses of the colours, both the black and the grey, and also I do prefer that colour blocking on the 2018 pair. But that's been it from me. I appreciate you guys for checking in. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, stay blessed.